Morning, folks. We are missing the truck. We have a bin, but we have no truck. Yesterday we loaded the truck for delivery, and the hook lift dismounted the bin. We loaded the bin and we mounted the bin back up on the truck, but the hook lift wouldn't draw close to the it's the last stage where it pulls the bin close to the cab, the back of the cab of the truck. So there's a hydraulic issue there somewhere. So it's off to service. Of course, it always happens on a Friday afternoon. And so Monday it'll get looked at and hopefully it'll be a simple, quick fix. But we lost the sale for the firewood. It happens. Well, now I gotta open that up, go grab 4 crates, and restack that wood. I hate restocking, but it's got to be done. Because if you dump it, if you just take the bin, once we get the truck back, if you take the bin and just go somewhere in the yard and dump it, you're still going to have to pick it up again at some point. So might as well just stack it, put it back, and sell it to the next person. Anyway, we're off to the wood pile, and we're going to block up some more wood this morning. I was looking at some pictures from last night, and so this is the 1st of June, so the end of April. So for the whole month of May, we started at about here with the pile, and we did all of this right down to where we're working now. See if I can move this quad and hold this camera at the same time. So the pile stopped right about here, and then we started here, making our way down. So this is where we're left off to. So this is what I've been doing the last week or so. Is just blocking, and we're kind of at a slowdown at the moment because Gina's injured herself. She took a pain in her back and her legs, her right leg, about 10 days ago now. So a couple of trips to the hospital and a couple of diagnoses later, and she has I guess nerve damage in her lower spine. So one of the nerves that comes out of her spine, and the L5S1 it's called, and it sends nerve endings down through her hip and down her right leg and just down to about halfway past her shin. So she's having a lot of discomfort with that. On some medication, some of the medication's working, some of it's not really working. And so she's using the heating pad a lot, and that seems to be helping a little bit, but not getting a whole lot of sleep. So it's tough, it's difficult. So hopefully we'll get a solution soon. So we're almost at the end of this pile. I'm just going to keep blocking. All of this was all stacked up here yesterday, and way too high for me to work on. So I just took the skid steer and knock down the majority of it. So yeah, I'll just keep blocking, and when I'm done with all the blocking, then I'll get the splitter and start splitting and stacking. Gina would like to be out here, but not at the moment. So I'll take it one day at a time. We'll get it done. Saturday morning, 8 a.m. Have a good one.